Hi kids! Welcome to the Curious Caterpillar. Let's learn and have fun together. Hello kids! Welcome to the Curious Caterpillar. Let's revise the alphabet. This is letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. This is letter C. C for cat. This is letter D. D for dog. This is letter E. E for elephant. This is letter F. F for fish. This is letter G. G for grapes. This is letter H. H for hat. This is letter I. I for ice cream. This is letter J. J for jug. This is letter K. K for kite. This is letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for mango. This is letter N. N for nest. This is letter O. O for orange. This is letter P. P for parrot. This is letter Q. Q for queen. This is letter R. R for rabbit. This is letter S. S for sun. This is letter T. T for tiger. This is letter U. U for umbrella. This is letter V. V for van. This is letter W. W for watch. This is letter X. X for X-ray. This is letter Y. Y for yak. This is letter Z. Z for zebra. Let's say together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, kids! Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to the Curious Caterpillar. See you next time.